Hello, everyone! Are you a U.S. citizen dreaming of exploring the stunning landscapes and vibrant culture of Indonesia? A very common and important question often pops up for travelers. Do U.S. passport holders need a visa for Indonesia? Let's dive right into this essential travel information to help you plan your trip with confidence. The straightforward answer for many U.S. tourists is good news. For short tourist visits, typically up to 30 days, U.S. citizens usually do not need to obtain a visa in advance for Indonesia. This falls under their visa exemption or visa-free facility. This visa-free entry is strictly for tourism purposes and it cannot be extended beyond the initial 30 days. You simply get a stamp in your passport upon arrival. This means you can arrive, enjoy your trip, and depart within 30 days without any prior visa application. However, there's another very popular and convenient option, the Visa on Arrival, or VOA. While not strictly visa-free in the same way, it's easily obtained at the airport. U.S. citizens are fully eligible for a VOA, which also allows for an initial stay of up to 30 days. The key difference here, and a major benefit for many travelers, is that the VOA can be extended one time for an additional 30 days, giving you a potential total of 60 days in Indonesia. You can often apply for the VOA directly at designated counters upon arrival at major international airports, or you can even apply for an e-VOA online before you travel, which can save time. Regardless of whether you use the visa-free facility or opt for a VOA, there are standard entry requirements you must meet. Your U.S. passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your date of entry into Indonesia. You also need a confirmed onward or return ticket out of Indonesia to show immigration officials. They may also ask for proof of sufficient funds for your stay, though this is less common for tourists. Now, what if you plan to stay longer than 60 days, or if your purpose of visit isn't strictly tourism? For example, if you're planning to work, study, or even a longer social visit beyond the VOA extension, then yes, you will absolutely need to apply for a specific visa before you travel. This often involves an e-visa, like the B211A, which allows for longer stays and specific activities. It's crucial to remember that travel regulations can change. It's always best practice to check the most current information just before your trip. Always refer to the official website of the Indonesian Embassy or Consulate in the US, or the Directorate General of Immigration of Indonesia, for the latest updates. Also, be aware that an electronic customs declaration (ECD) is usually required for all arrivals and can often be completed online before you land. So, to summarize, for most U.S. tourists planning a trip under 30 days, no prearranged visa is needed. For stays up to 60 days, the Visa on Arrival is your best and most flexible option. For longer trips or different purposes, a prearranged visa is essential. We hope this clarifies the visa situation for your exciting Indonesian adventure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with any fellow travelers you know, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels!